Hello guys, welcome to Addota Farm. It has been a while that I've posted videos for you guys to watch. Just that I've been busy going from one place to another, doing different things. So that was the reason why. And today is my birthday as well also. So today I just want to throw an opportunity for you guys. I have a pumping machines that I want to sell. I use that particular pumping machine when I started my irrigation farming, so that was when I used the pumping machine. But right now, I'm done with that irrigation farming. So I want to sell out the pumping machine at a cheaper price. So if you have interest in the pumping machines, please um, do well to reach out to me. Like I said, the pumping machine is working. The pumping machine is working efficiently. Nothing happened to him. It's good, and we have a hose and a pipe also. And before I started this video, you can watch that particular machine. So if you want to buy that particular machine, please do well to reach out to me. You can use it to pump water during the preparation of your fish pond. You can use it to pump water. For your irrigation farming. You can use it to pump water maybe during some other crops farming that are using to spray water on. And for your nursery bed, if you want to start with a pepper farm, so you can use that pumping machine, and it's very very efficient. If you want to go and buy it in the market now, it will cost you a lot. But now that I have used my own, now this particular one I'm selling to is a fairly used, so I wouldn't sell it up to that amount that I'm going to buy it in the market. I will sell it at a cheaper price for you. So please, if you are interested in the pumping machines, do well to reach out to me, and I'm going to sell it out to you. I just want to make this video short that I have this pumping machine that is working, and if you want to purchase it, please do well to reach out to me, and I'm going to sell the pumping machines to you. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, turn the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new comments like this for you, or a new videos like this for you. Give me a thumbs up, and please do well to reach out to me for your pumping machines, and you'll be using it efficiently. And bye for now.